Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Grok CLI on Windows 11 operating system. So first here, opening this place, command prompt, and here let's use the CS command first. So first in my system, Node must be installed. So here, Node.js must be installed. So node -v to check here, version 24 is that installed. Thereafter, let's write there. Let's check here npm. So npm also install. 11 version is there. So PowerShell, that's optional. If that okay, that's fine. And these tools are essential. Let's use the cls command. Thereafter, I'm going to write the command for Grok CLI. So with the help of npm, that going to install. So npm install right there -g for global @ So here web dev today. So web dev today backslash then right there Grok CLI. Press enter. So G for global install web developer today and Grok CLI. Now for this one, it should be connected because this is doing some download as well as install. Now you can see this here 243 packages added in 3 minutes and that's come there. After that, let's write there Grok --version. So 0.2.1 that install. If I write there Grok, so this is asking about to enter the API key. So if you have API key, you should enter to continue. So I just press here enter. Okay. So Grok for CLI. So here you can enter the API key, then start using the Grok CLI inside your Windows operating system on the command prompt or PowerShell. So this is the way that we install this Grok inside the Windows machine. Grok CLI on the Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.